recording. It's raining, thunder, lightning. Our Mexican Welcome Fiesta is ruined. The birthday party's gone. Whoa, it's woo! It's lightning. No, Cal, you're fine.
It's a tornado.
It's not a tornado. Cal, you're on video. Tell me what you feel.
I'm scared.
Why? Rich, tell us your thoughts real fast.
She's scared.
Wait, no, tell us what's going on right now. What's going on?
It's raining. Cats and dogs.
I think Abby's the...
Rob, tell us your thoughts. What's going on?
I like coffee.
Okay, but what are you doing right now?
I'm making coffee.
All right, we're signing
She
off.
made a beeline downstairs.
Who, Portia?
Yeah.
She's scared. We're gonna do one more zoom outside. It's raining. No, I'm getting the video of rain. Okay. All right, we're signing off.